Checking how the cats react to their cat brush. Ah, Squeaker. You like that. You see, you're a long hair cat, so you love a little brush. Love it. Good girl, Squeaker. Very good girl. Ah, look how cute she is. Absolutely adorable. Ah, Squeaker. Ah, you're so cute. Like a little tiger. Oh, what an adorable little cat. Now, we should see how the other ones enjoy it. Obviously, first take off the fluff, because you molt a lot. Do you molt a lot, Squeaks? Okay, the Phantom. Let's have a little Phantom here. Okay, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. And nah, it doesn't like it. Doesn't like the brush. Wants to fight it, like always wants to fight it. Oh, that's my lighter. Don't get the lighter. Dude. Phantom. Okay, we'll try with little Daytona, because she's eating, so it might distract her. Daytona, here we go. Nice little brush. Nice little brush for you. There you go, little kitty. Ah, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Nice little massage. Look at your tail. Ah, good girl. Beautiful. Beautiful.